This is Adam. He enjoys playing football and hopes to one day play for the Patriots. His brain is the most important organ in helping him play and accomplish his goals. The cerebellum controls motor function and processes much of the sensory information around you. It also keeps the body balanced. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain where the spinal cord connects to the brain. It is shaped like a small brain and even has two hemispheres. It is about as long as a golf tee. This is required for Adam to throw the ball, notice what players around him are doing, and keep him on his feet as he runs and dodges the opposing team. The thalamus, located in the center of the brain, above the hippocampus, is shaped like an oval, also plays a major role in his movement. The thalamus is responsible for sending motor and sensory signals from the spinal cord to the cerebral cortex. The thalamus is about 5.7 centimeters across. Adam's thalamus sends the signals from his hands and feet to his brain so he could stay on the move when he focuses his attention on catching a ball. As Adam is playing, the stimuli of the game or practice affect how he is thinking. The amygdala, the two almond-shaped masses in between the hippocampus and the frontal lobe, control emotions and also reduce aggression. They are only about 1.5 centimeters across each. While Adam is playing, he may get upset or worried when he misses a catch. When his anger begins to show itself, his amygdala works to reduce the anger and calm him down for the upcoming play. Adam also isn't playing alone. This is where his Wernicke's area is utilized. The Wernicke's area is located in the left hemisphere of the brain where the temporal and parietal lobe meet. It is a circular portion of the brain that varies in size and shape from person to person. Its function is to process and comprehend language. Adam hears his teammates during a game telling him plays, motivating him, or telling him to go along. The thing is, he has to remember all these plays. The frontal lobe is located directly behind the forehead, is shaped like a pear, and is about the fourth the size of the brain. It is the control center for emotion. It is very important for memory and judgment as well. This is the part of the brain he uses to recall his plays and determine which play to use in each situation. He doesn't always win though, and sometimes he even gets hurt. The parietal lobe is shaped like a rounded box and it takes up most of the upper part of the brain. It is located on top of the temporal lobe and behind the frontal lobe. The parietal lobe is the brain's center for tactical sensory information such as pain, pressure, or touch. When Adam falls or gets stiff-armed by another player, his parietal lobe senses the pain and processes so the body knows which step to take next. Even with all this, Adam would be nothing without his sight. His occipital lobe helps him in that department. This lobe, the third of the four major lobes, is located at the very back of the brain and is shaped similarly to a hamburger. The occipital lobe processes and perceives visual information, including light and movement. While Adam is playing, his occipital lobe is intaking all the information from his eyes about where the ball and other players are and relaying that to the rest of the brain. As you can tell, every part of Adam's brain has some part to play in his football career. That's why, if he one day wants to play for the Patriots, he better protect his brain and put on a helmet.